Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sigma Academy. So today I'm going to explain about infinity and not defined. So difference. What is the difference between infinity and not defined? Before that, we should understand infinity. So infinity means it is a very large number, very large number. That's it, infinity. So now, when should we write infinity and when should we use not defined? So for x, so if x is equal to 0, if x equal to 0, f is exactly 0, then what is 1 by x? 1 by x will be equal to 1 by 0. 1 by x equals 1 by 0. 1 by 0, 1 by 0, what is 1 by 0? So just divide with 0. So now 1 by 0, so how should we divide? So someone tells 0 ones are 0, so someone tells it is 0 twos are. So what should I write here? What should I write here? So some other guy says, so write 0 20s are. So some other guys write says 0 200s are. So we don't know what it is. So there is no unique number here. So that's why this is not defined. We don't know what it is. So that's why there is no unique answer here. So that's why it is not defined. Not defined. When x is exactly 0, then 1 by x is, that is 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0, therefore 1 by 0 is not defined. Now if x tends to 0, x tends to 0, x tends to 0, what does it mean? X tends to 0, x tends to 0 means x is nearly equal to 0, x is tending to 0, x is tending to 0. So now in the number line, this is 0, x tends to 0 means it is somewhere here on the, from left side it tends to 0, or from right side it may tends to 0. So x is going to 0, x is going to 0, near to 0. So that means it can move from left side or it can move from the right side, right? So from right side, if it moves from the right side, what is the nearest value to 0? So someone says it is 0.1. So now what is 1 by x? 1 by x, that is 1 by 0.1, that is 10. Someone says, so that is x tends to 0 means what? X is nearly equal to 0. So now some other guy says it is 0.01, 0.01. It is not equal to 0, it is tending to 0. So someone says it is 0.001, 0.01. So now 1 by x, what will be? So 1 by 0.01. So now I get 100. Some other guy says it is 0.001, it is 0.001. So some other guy says it is 0.00001. So I can go up to 0.0000000, some value. I get some value here. So that is 1 by x. So some 1 by 0 point something value. So that will be very big value. It will be very big value. So that's why it is infinity. That's why it is infinity, very big value. So I said, right, one infinity is a very large number. So similarly, I'm getting 1 by x, 1 by x, x tending to 0. When x tends to 0, then 1 by x will be infinity. So if I come from right side, if I come from the left side, this is what the sign changes, just the sign changes. So when x is tending from right side, so I will erase this. This is 0. From right side it is positive. From if x tends to 0 from the left side, I will write it as 0 minus, from right side it will be 0 plus, so positive or negative. So 1 by x will be 1 by 0 minus 1 by x equals 1 by 0 plus, it is not equal, it is tending to, okay. So now 1 by x will be what? 1 by x will be infinity. So now 1 by x, here it is negative, so minus infinity. So here it will be plus infinity. So that is how we get not defined and infinity, friends. So 1 by 0, exactly 0. If it is exactly 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. If it is nearly equal to 0, tending to 0, then 1 by 0 will be infinity. It is not 1 by 0, it is 1 by 0 tending, so it tends to 0. 1 by x tends to 0. So 1 by x tends to 0. So from, this is from right side, this is from left side. Left side, right side. So then we get minus infinity, that is infinity. That's it, friend, for this video. Thank you.